Welcome back to Shanwasi cooking class. I want to share with you my favorite recipe, grilled chicken, black pepper sauce. So, let's check on the ingredients. For tasty grilled chicken, we need 1 bowl of chicken meat, thigh, wings, any part of chicken meat. Slice the chicken so that it will be evenly cooked. Next, we need 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of salt to taste. Mix all the ingredients to marinate the chicken. Now, I'm going to put the marinated chicken inside the microwave oven for 20 minutes. Come guys, I want to show you the ingredients for black pepper's gravies. Yum yum yum! For black pepper gravy, we need 1 cup of water, 2 stalks of red onion leaves, chopped and prepared to sprinkle on ready cooked gravy. 1 whole onion medium size, thinly sliced and chopped. 2 tablespoons of corn flour. 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. 2 tablespoons of Sarawak black pepper sauce. 2 tablespoons chicken stock. And 2 teaspoons of coarse Sarawak black pepper. My friend, mix all of the ingredients mentioned. Make sure you try my recipe. Bye!